A lot of clients hear this and feel relieved. You're pre-approved, and they should pause, because a pre-approval by itself does not mean a Barndominium project is viable. Doesn't mean the land works, doesn't mean the plans are financeable. It simply means that numbers were reviewed in isolation, and that's where many clients get blindsided later. They move forward thinking that everything is lined up, only to hit walls once everything else enters the picture. And suddenly, the pre-approval doesn't apply the way they thought it did. Adjustments start, expectations shift, and stress follows. Barndominium projects require more than a yes on paper. They require alignment. When financing is part of the entire project and not just a standalone step, pre-approvals actually stand up and the build comes together. That's the difference between confidence that lasts and confidence that disappears halfway through the process. You know you want one. I'm the Barndo chick. Click the link.